Good morning, everybody. Today is day 29. Can you believe it? We've made it this far. Part of me believes it, part of me... Well, I knew I would do it. I mean, I would feel like a fool if I started it and then I deleted it. Or if I didn't finish it. So it's kind of a nice thing to do, like these videos, because it kind of holds you accountable. There was time in the beginning, I remember feeling maybe around day 7, being like, why did I do this? Why did I decide to post these videos and even do these morning pages in general? Because I had a ton of stuff going on. I mean, I'm writing a sketch comedy writing book that I have to devote time to, and I was working for the newspaper. I got that job, so I have another book about plant medicine that I have endless amount of time to work on. And out of all that, I decided to not stop that, I'm continuing to do that, but also add another thing to my plate by doing these morning pages. But after reading that intro in The Artist's Way, I've only read 24 pages of this book, but after reading about the chapter called The Basic Tools, I was really inspired to write these things. And then since I have the writing, and I've also been wanting to do more on this social media channel that I have, and it all kind of just lined up and felt very it felt like an organic thing for me to do. So it's been an interesting journey, and we have 2 days left. So let's get to it. So today is the 18th of July. And if you're watching the video, again, like I always say, I've been using this pen that has been at the very bottom level of the ink, and it still has not ran out. So I'm waiting for that to happen. Another thing I was talking about, as I submitted a humor piece to an editor at a newspaper that I'm started freelancing at, and I still have not heard anything from him. So maybe today, or maybe by tomorrow. It'd be a cool thing. I'm trying to manifest this. He reaches out today. He's like, I love the piece. I'm going to put it in the paper. Here are some changes that I made. And then tomorrow I say to you all, hey, day 30. I'm going to have that piece published. That'd be kind of a cool way to end it. Hollywood ending. So I'm hoping for. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Alrighty. Pen is never ending, still going. Page 1, page 2, page 3. College rule 2. Read it and weep. We have these dogs that bark every morning, and they're driving me crazy. And I've left notes on these people's doors. I've thrown paper airplanes over there being like, hey, your dogs are barking at this time, like, do something about it. This is insane. And it just was like really messing me up with the morning pages. It's really throwing off my concentration, because it's just something that drives me nuts. And I know I shouldn't be letting myself get all crazy about it, but it's kind of like, I don't know, it's like, come on, man. It's like, you can't have this happening in the morning like this every morning, where it's like dogs barking nonstop. It's like, it's not fun to wake up to that. Yeah, the pages were good. It was I don't know, I'm so like flustered because of that. I'm sure you could probably hear it in the thing, but yeah, I got the pages done. I was happy with them. Just covered again a few topics. Again, it's mostly just examining myself, just working through things that I feel like things that maybe get stuck into my head and that disallow me from connecting to the creativity and being more connected to that source of creative power, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so that's day 29. I'm kind of, like I said, I'm kind of wrapped up in barking dog mind. I just can't get out of it right now. So I'm gonna go. Tomorrow's day 30. Can you believe it? Day freaking 30. I'm pretty excited about that. I feel good about it. Thank you all for watching, listening, and hopefully this inspires you to do your own morning pages. And I hope that after these videos end, if you are doing the pages, you continue to do them. I'm making them I'm doing them every morning. I mean, I'm actually getting better at cursive writing too. Like, my handwriting's improving. Sometimes around page 1.5, my handwriting starts getting worse and worse. So, still something to improve on. Even like handwriting, thinking of that as like an art or a meditation. But it feels good to write and get your hand moving across the page. And it's like I've only been doing this for 29 days, and I can't imagine doing it for years and years. It's like how well you'd actually know yourself, how comfortable you would be with writing, how just more in tune you'd be. Shut up! More in tune, but you'll be all in tune with all that sort of stuff, but when it comes to dogs that are barking, you just won't be able to handle it. Or at least that's me. So, alright, thank you all. See you all tomorrow.